epic football game right here, ladies and gentlemen. And we've got two teams that are equally matched in terms of talent and quality. We've got Team 30BG, captained by Davido, taking on Boyfriend FC, captained by CK. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see how this game will go down. Who will take all 3 points after 90 minutes? We shall find out right here. Welcome to this epic football game. I cannot wait to get into the nitty-gritty of things.
An argument in my area, two players in the wall.
We got Davido in the town. Davido in the town. Hello guys, it's your boy Jimmy One if you are alive. This is another episode of One Man, One Voice stand-up comedian. Today we got Davido on board. Davido is our latest artist today. Please go and check the video. He's one of the best artists, Afro, international, local, and everywhere in the world. Everybody know the video. Go and check his music, La La La, and other music that he has on his platform. Anyway, today we got another new bege, another new packages. Like I used to tell you, that this place that you see is laughing, sharpie, 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 sharpie. You come here and laugh, you want to laugh. You want to laugh, come here and laugh and crack your rib to thy kingdom come. Crack your rib and break your ribs and crack it so that all the ribs around your body will be laughing. Ipakara, 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 ibom. Yo. Today is a tuba bomb. It's a tumor bomb. Don't mind my English. It's a spiritual forces. Sometimes when my English come like this, it comes from the spiritual forces. Some people, it's not from the kingdom of darkness, but it comes from the spiritual forces from heaven. Anyway, I got bege and packages for you today. So we are going to go for break. You know what to do. Subscribe, turn up, like, share this, comment. I told you, share this, share it, even to the more. Share it to spiritual people. Share it to everywhere in the world, even to cockroach. Cockroach, they will take it. I say everything, incense, all of them used to dance on my comedy. I'm not the video anyway. Anyway, I am going for break to come back with the packages. And today we got the video. Throughout today is our start today. So please make sure you watch this episode to the end. And after you watch it to the end, I got some kind of gift for everybody. So let's go for break and come back with the packages. But now I need to enjoy the video. And let us go with the video. This is Davido again. Davido is killing things. Davido is killing things. Go and check out Davido on his platform on Para For Me. There's a lot of music Davido have. So go and check Davido. We are now back from the break. And like I said to you, that I've come to bring packages. Packages upon packages. This is laughing, sharpie. Let's go to the matter of today. Do you know that every time people will be going around, some people they say that they are kidnappers. Anything they see, they kidnap. They see leopard, they kidnap. They see human being, they kidnap. They see dog, they kidnap. They see animal, they kidnap. They see ghosts, they kidnap. They see them more, they kidnap. Even they will not know when they will kidnap their own self. They will not know when they will kidnap themselves and go and ask for ransom. Because people that are doing that, there is an repercussion on it too. Because I don't want us to be like one man. It's not even one man, a group of people that every time in the morning they are kidnapping, in the night they are kidnapping, in the afternoon they are kidnapping. Even when they wake up, they don't know that it's morning, they will go and kidnap their own self. That is how one day, these kidnappers, as they were kidnapping and kidnapping and kidnapping and kidnapping and kidnapping, they now went and kidnapped an alien. They didn't know that it was alien they kidnapped. The alien came from the space of Aries, and the alien came down. I was looking to do something on Earth, and they didn't know it's an alien. They went and kidnapped it. So when they kidnapped this thing, they took it, and they ran to where they used to keep even the kidnapper answer ransom. So they started answering this thing they kidnapped. They didn't know it was in the form of human being. So they were asking him, where is your family? Tell us your family because we need to ask for ransom. Tell us your family, we need to ask for ransom. The thing was looking at them. The alien was looking at them. The alien was looking at them. So after 3 days, the alien said, it's time. They are coming. It is time to go home. It is time to go home. They are coming. It is time to go home. They are coming. One of them said, are you crazy? You think we are joking here? You think we are joking here? What is time to go? Who is going to let you go home? Except we get ransom from you, we will not let you to go anywhere. They thought it was a joke. Before you know, one spaceship from alien, the thing just land. Wow! Come and see short put. Alien short put. Different type, with different head. Different head. Some have Korean, some have big eye. Some their eyes coming out. They were coming. They were saying something that they didn't understand. The next thing now, they came there, they now carried everybody, even the kidnapper and the kidnappers too. They carried them and entered into the spaceship, and they carry all of them way to the planet of Aries. When they reach there, those people say, how do we manage to get to this place? How did we manage to get to this place? And they say, they tell them, because their language is saying, they want this the other guy they kidnapped, that came in the form of human being, and now said that we have kidnapped you for forever. We don't ask of ransom because people are going to turn to alien. That was a Chineke. You mean we'll turn to alien? He said yes, because from today you people are going to join our planet. And we'll call you Akpake. The guy said, Akpake said yes. And that was how they kidnapped these people and take them out of the world to alien world. They become alien. That they change them. The other one have big eye. The other one have long ear. The other one have, as alien be. The other one like this, and they call them different name. And that was how these guys, their family never see them again. They were all alien. So you that go every time to go, anything you see, you kidnap because you are looking for money. You kidnap. Anything you see, you kidnap. Money, you kidnap. You see rice, you kidnap. You see beans, you kidnap. You see human being, you kidnap. You see dog, cockroach, cat, you kidnap. Be careful, one day you can kidnap alien. And alien will take you to planet Iris. And from that day, you will begin to do pocket, and you turn to alien, they will change the name of the person. Be careful, because kidnapper, there's a repercussion to it. Anyway, this is the end of the episode of today. Please subscribe, comment, like, and what? Share this video. Share it. But don't share it to alien. Share it to everything in this world. Because the alien world, see, YouTube doesn't work there. It only works on Earth. This is a lesson that everyone needs to learn. Now we are going off. We are going off with Davido. Davido is our man today. And Davido is not a kidnapper. Davido is a musician. A very nice musician. So all of you that are doing kidnapping, go and find a job to do. Find something to do and be busy before you go and kidnap alien. And alien will let us go with Davido. See you in the next episode of One Man, One Voice, Stand Up Comedian. Now we go with Davido.